This 2021 Nexus Viper 29 volts is a Class B plus RV. It is located in Bradenton, FL 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Nexus is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 40 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features rear bedroom. This 2021 Nexus Viper 29 volts is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.